my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced.
Hi everyone, Tania TSN here. Today I'm showing you how I slick down my hair in less than 5 minutes. So first I start with simply a spray of water, and I just spray my hair just to make sure that my hair are easy to comb through and that I don't have any knots that I have in my hair when I slick them down. And of course I'm going to start brushing my hair with a white tooth comb that's going to really put my hair sleek down first, and I'm gonna make sure to do my part as well, just to make sure that my hair are already ready for me to start slicking them down with some Eco Stylo gel. And so what I'm gonna do is really just put a lot, or like a good amount, on my roots in the front and also where my part is, just to make sure that my hair are very well sleeked down. I'm also gonna do a little bit of edges just to make sure that my sleek down hair have a style to it and it's not just plain sleek down. Once I like the aspect of my edges, I'm simply gonna do the other side with some gel too, and then I'm gonna be using my Got To Be gel just to make sure that my hair are gonna be really sleek down and they're not gonna move. I'm also gonna do a little bit of a hairstyle on this side. I'm just gonna sleek them down but have a little curl on the side of my ear. Also, you can use a Denman brush that's gonna help detangle your hair but also help really sleek down your hair again, because when you want to sleek down your hair you don't want any bubbles sticking out or any frizzies. So the Denman brush would actually really help you get rid of all of that. And like I told you, now I'm doing my little curl that's trying to pop out a little bit, so I'm gonna let it be and really try just to have it sleek down as a curl on my the side of my ear. Now I'm just gonna spend some time perfecting my sleek hair. So as you can see, the front of my hair is not really too slick, so I'm gonna add some Got To Be and really just come in with my sleeking brush and really just slick down my hair just to make sure I don't have any frizzies. I'm also gonna perfect my edges just to make sure that you can actually see the little waves kind of thing, and then I'm gonna be pretty much done. It's always good to take your time when you do your edges, because you want them to be really good, but also you want them to stay the whole day. So when you put especially Got To Be gel, it's gonna stay a long time, so just make sure that you really perfect them. And even if you have to spend another 2 minutes or so on it, it's better to do so just to have a really good result. And that is the result. I hope you really enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and tell me what you think, or what do you do to get your hair really slick down like I did in this video in the comment section. Hey everyone, so this is just a quick update on my website. I did it again all from scratch, so I just wanted to show you a little bit what you can find on there. You can find some blog posts. Most of my videos are actually also in a blog post where you can find over here on my website, but you can also find my shop on my website where you can actually shop all my Natural Me items as well as my handmade items from the Tania TSN African fabric line, where you can find edge band, puffy bands and queen caps. Don't hesitate to go check it out, and I hope that you will like it.